Takaw. Sige, mabulunan ka na dyan. Mag-chicken ka na lang.
Careful. No touch. Right here.
Ito na lang anak ko, chicken.
Right here.
Pakita mo kay Lola. Anong kinakain mo? She's just eating fries. Not good. See you guys later. Chicken. Dami na ng damit mo, anak. We should have changed it. Kasi katam na.
This too.
Jollibee, Chicago. Three hours kami dito ta. Ang ticket namin sa Shed Aquarium.
3 hours.
Why?
Is this somebody texting you?
No? But my mom's probably gonna watch it. Don't let her eat too much.
When we went to Thailand, and then I had Phom Rao only. I got so tired of it. I was like, I want to go back to America and
Eat American food?
no, and see like. Nice.
Takaw kumain, no? Wag na yan, anak. Ito na lang, anak ko. Tara, are you feeling that grilled chicken?
Right?
Just feed her chicken. Chicken! No? Okay, okay, okay. Hi! Huwag mo nang ilagay sa mata kasi, anak. Ito na si Adalyn.
Kitchen.
Si Adalyn naman. Dada, show
The shoe fell
Adalyn.
off.
Show Adalyn.
Then look. Say hi. Right there. Hi. Hi.
Okay na, babay ka na. Bye-bye.